Hey guys, welcome to a new video, Vanlife Macedonia number 2. We are still in the east part of the country and we are now going to a monastery that is actually like 20 kilometers from the previous one in the previous video. But this one is just for nuns, so it's called female monastery. The previous one was male monastery and only had monks. So looking forward to see this one. What is that?
This.
What is that?
What? No, it's a waterfall.
Yeah. When the door you don't need anymore, you put it as a bridge. And this is the river. Super clean and fresh. It's a huge dog again. Look at how angry it is. Oh, no. Don't come this way. Don't come this way. That's the monastery. Jesus Christ, still yelling, eh? And you, little one? Oh, so angry dog. Odi gore. Speed on. This is the church. Nemoj da vikaš toliko. So this is the church. The church is closed, the monastery is open. We have one angry dog guarding everything. And no nuns. We were hoping that they will save us, but no. So we are now departing. That little hut over there is so cute. It's like Hagrid's. We got to the end of the road of a path that we just saw beside the main road. And this is definitely very dead and old village. And the nature is beauty here. We're gonna park and then have a breakfast. But first to take some snaps of the beautiful houses. Zdravo živo! Koje selo je ovo? Boneš. Dragan, this house, according to the guy who lives here, it was a post office and a shop. Of course, now it's already done. And there is only 3 people that live here. And during the day, 10 people who are working on the fields and taking the sheep out in the meadows. Nema voda?
Voda nema, to je problem. 2003 година били сме 15 деца само продадени. А сега нема 15.
That's the school that had 2 shifts and there's like 400 people were living
Две
here.
смени, първа и втора смена е било.
Mircea, that's the guy's name, he said that all these houses are from a typical old Balkan style, that on the first floor is the people who live there, and then below on the like mezzanine, or I don't know what is the name that called, is the cows or the pigs or the chicken, so it gives warmth. And also they say this smell in the villages that stinks for us, it's actually healing. So I don't know if this is a legend or true story, that he says that his grandfather was wounded in one of the Balkan revolutions and wars, and he was hiding in a dirt pit or a pit of animal waste. And he says that by that worm he got cured. I don't know if that's true, but I don't know if someone is willing to try some alternative methods of healing. That's the way.
Čekaj, ovo je na senzor i sve. Evo kako izgleda posle 100 godini. Posle 100 godini kako izgleda. Čekaj.
A ova što je tu dole, što je...
Ovo je zemlja, kao. To je pravilo tako, nemalo...
On the bottom it's all mud.
Beton, nemalo. Evo kako propalja sve. Tukaj su živeli, ove spalne sobe. Trski ovo ono, sve tukaj ne je ni sigurno.
Da.
Vidi samo kako je gradeno. Plitar se vika to.
This is how the walls were built.
To je
They
bilo
were making bread here. This was an outside oven in the past.
za 10 duši, 12.
For 10 people.
To je bilo kazan za pečenje rakija, slivi.
Here they were making wine and rakia.
Tukaj isto kućete što su živjale dve familije. Dole je tipično stoka bilo, kravi, goveda.
So yeah, this is what I was telling you about it. Upstairs they were
A gore
living.
dve familije.
2 families were living, and then
Dva brata, recimo.
yeah, the animals were down here.
A сега gledaš li krovo kako...
Over there is the mountain, the Shar Mountains, and below this hill is Skopje somewhere. Mirce told us for this place, this spot, just like 2 kilometers of the village, and it's magnificent. Look at this. I don't know why is this here, but we are now off to the town of Bero, which is on the Sogovo Mountains. It's a bit high up and it's colder. And we are going to the village called Macho. It's like the cat village, something like that. And we have friends there who own a house, and we're gonna pitch our camper there and have some grill and rakia. We arrived at our friend's place in Macho, the cat place, the cat village. We just parked the van. Mark is still sleeping. Hopefully I'm not gonna wake him up because I'm yelling. But now it's time for chill grilling Macedonia style.
Се изпразнија селата, се испразни се живо и диво.
За sada te zapišem.
Berovski kompir.
You want to sit next to me?
This is our...
This is the beginning of Macedonian weekend. You must have lettuce salad, skopsko beer, different types of rakia. This is probably grape, and this is made of silva, I would have said. Plum. Yeah. Meat and a maestro. Така, на здравие. Мора малце кромиче. Колку да боцнам само? Зате. Така, тоа е тоа. Хвала.
Ajde.
Ајде, cheers.
Opa.
Да сте живи и здрави.
Ajde, no zdravije.
Hvala što ne
Абе, ракија
угостивте.
што ставивте?
За тебе не знаме која сакаш. Лоза или слива?
Не, од татко ми дава.
Рацинјата, ајде, ајде рацинја.
The ladies also kill rakia in Macedonia.
Throw my pants on chair.
We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you.
Чекаме, бе, чекаме.
Without you.
Ajde ti. See you in the morning. We are finishing the day here because after these rakias, I don't think I will be able to make more footage. So I will go to sleep and see you in the morning. We are leaving Berovo for now and we are going back towards the town of Vinica. But just before it, we're gonna turn left and go up in the mountains toward the village of Blatec. After Blatec, there is a lake where we plan to spend the night. So we never been there. People have told me that it's a very nice place. They send me pictures on Facebook. So yeah, that's where we're going. Let's go. All in one bed. Plus the little guy. All night he's sleeping with us. Not moving, not peeping, not eating. Yeah, and this one comes in the morning. He wakes up around 6
You
and then
know,
continue.
tonight, how much I eat?
How much you ate?
3, 4, 5 million things.
Things. Wow, good morning everybody from a village. Good morning.
The mama.
Macedonia has snakes, and I don't know if you can see, but from there, from under the bush, I don't know if you can see, going like this, the snake has moved. Yeah, I'm losing the track now, but definitely over there. The nature in the Delchevo region is really nice, but be cautious. They are animals. They are wild boars, bears, wolves, foxes and snakes here. So if you are wandering in the nature by yourself in the wild, always be cautious. Now we're gonna lock up the van and we're gonna go explore the nearby village. This is very small. I think only one person lives there, and yeah, then continue our journey onward in the deep east part of our country. Grljani village. It says blacksmith neighborhood by Grandpa Tome. Looks quite inviting.
It's nice.
Very nice area and it's on high. An old house that is kind of in a good shape, because you see those stones are quite looking strong and safe. Okay, you can even go inside. But now I have a helper in the video and making YouTubes. His name is Mark. See? Let me see, Marky. Oh, nice. The camera cannot see, but oh, nice landscape. Very good. You took a picture of the village, right? Good. If this place was somewhere in Europe or even Southeast Asia, it would have been a tourist attraction like a ghost village or something like that, and some legends around it. But here we have them a bunch. You can come here, park your van anywhere, nobody will bother you. You can enjoy the nature, clean air, smell flowers and blooming trees. It's simply beautiful. We really enjoy traveling Macedonia. Well, that's a fence with chairs. Здраво! Добър ден! Аз съм Драган.
Стоянка се вика.
Здраво, Стоянка.
Аз съм Едит.
И аз Стоянка се викам, а овай Малио?
Марк се вика.
Марк?
Да.
Та е най-бара чукица, како мене чизме е натъпал.
А, ти да той. Той бара яриня.
Яриня бара.
А там не са яринята, са осталото. Бабе, не са та. Оди по мене со докторот ќе видиш дека яринята стоја. Там ли ќе ги најдеш яринята баш на табабе. Враќи се на тоа. Там яриња нема. Има устадо яриња. Така.
Дой да ги видиш ярињата, дой. Again, dogs.
Ай, води по-бързо со газда.
Да. О, здраво живо, део Томе. Здраво живо. Здраво.
Браво, добър. Добър ден.
Јас сум Драган. He's about to see baby goats, or how is it called, baby goats? Baby goats.
Айде да видиме што ќе направите. Ова е од тројка.
Колко е старо?
Дека го знам, може да има 5 ден.
Ой, 5 дена.
Да?
Бебенц.
Бебенца во мало, сад ќе го затвориме.
Добар ден, добар ден.
Добре дойде.
Драган сум јас.
Добре дойде.
А тај е мал, не
Той е малечо. Вече.
Го виделе Јарто како плач?
Ви.
Ама тој е ту градината, кажем.
Маленчо ли води?
Шетаме.
А?
Шетаме.
До шетање е да не...
Да се кучи.
Ама ти спива. Дај како мене ќе се лапче.
Петар го крсти јарето.
Едно имам крстено Петар и повеќе не ги крста.
Zašto?
Zašto?
Hvala ti!
Hvala.
Ja tamo kje mi nije. Hvala.
You have to go until the end.
Min raket.
Oh my gosh. The smell of the green grass and clovers and wildfires and the blooming trees. Look at our morning. Only us in this area. Only us. There is not a single artificial noise coming out. Like only you can hear the birds chirping, but they're so loud even 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. It's craziness what is going on. It's simply beautiful, this area. It's empty of people. And yeah, we're gonna stick around here for a bit. Aj, zdravo živo! Абе, ова нека Делчево? Од тука ли нека Делчево? Па добро, ма вика дека е окей, дека е добар. Now we're gonna be first shopping in Delta. Let's see the prices. Hello. Ciabatta. Apples, cucumbers, and red ayvarka. Small pastries, pita, snacks. I think it's mountain fresh tea, so I wanna try it. Got this for Turkish coffee. Onions, oranges, lemons, bananas, small fresh cabbage, garlic, cheese, pavlaka, kyselo mleko, milk, and water. Let's drive. All of that for almost 35 euros.
So here we go, filling up water at the church, at this little church. It's very important and useful information that in the Balkan countries like Macedonia, Greece, Serbia probably also, you can just fill up water at any church.
Macedonian pie with meat. and grilled meat. Kebabczynia, kebabs, rib, and plain meat. Kyselé mléko, sour milk.
And some cucumbers with vinegar.
This, what you see here, this meat costed us less than €5. Just saying. And this is €3. We found the perfect spot, but now I need to see if I can come up here. Because look at the view. Spectacular. I think that's already Bulgaria. But the road is this one. Here, what you see is fine. But here is quite steep. That one is definitely no go. But this one is a maybe. Just, yeah, it has a flat area. I can put the van here. And then we have the beautiful view. What are you doing?
I'm spraying you for.
What is that what you were making?
I made a DIY tick repellent.
Yeah, what did you use?
I just put vinegar. I read that they hate the smell of vinegar, and I used some essential oils like, I don't know, lots of different stuff, lemongrass and citronella and what is it called? Lavender and peppermint and all that they supposed to hate. So hopefully this will keep them away. I'm gonna spray this one that we put on the floor and our socks and shoes, and yeah, hopefully they will not come and eat our blood.
When is sunset busy? Guys, we are finishing this episode number 2 of our van life adventure in Macedonia with this beautiful fortress called Gradce in the village called Grad. Grad means city, so village, city. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. See you in the next one.